Okay, so we know that z, complex number, can be written in the form cos theta plus I sine theta, because the modulus is 1. Okay, otherwise there'll be an r at the front of both of these, but the magnitude is 1. So I know that z to the n is that, and then using de Moivre's I know it equals this. And I also know that z to the minus n, just replacing all the n's with minus n, which is cos n theta, because cos is an even function, minus I sine n theta, because sine theta is an odd function. So I now know that z to the n minus z to the minus n, the cosines will disappear. I get 2I sine n theta. And while I'm at it, if I did, because I'll need it later, and z to the n plus z to the minus n, right, where the I components cancel, I get 2 cos n theta, which I'll need later as well. Okay, now it says, so I've done part A. Part B says, hence, show that. So I know that 2I sine theta equals z minus z to the minus 1. If I raise that to the power 4, both sides, the left hand side is fairly straightforward. I to the power 4, even powers of I, that'd be plus 1, wouldn't it? Because I squared is minus 1. Square it again, you get to plus 1. 2 to the power 4 is 16. I get 16 sine to 4 theta. On the right hand side, I get z to the 4, and the last term will be plus z to minus 4. So I'm just matching them up here. I will get minus 4 lots of z squared plus z to minus 2. Okay, so that's why I use 3 of these and 1 of these. Okay, z cubed and z to the minus 1 will give me a z squared. I know it's 4 from Pascal's triangle, or from 4C1 if you like. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, so it's that line there I'm using. So I've got the 1 and the 1. I've got the 4 and the 4, so I know the 6. And the middle term is z squared times minus z to the minus 1 squared, which is just 1. So I just get 6. Okay, now because of the way I paired these up, I know z to the 4 plus z to the minus 4 from up here. Z to the 4 plus z to the minus 4 is 2 cos 4 theta. I know z to the 2 plus z to the minus 2 is 2. So I get minus 8 cos 2 theta. And finally I get plus 6. And I'm trying to show that 8 sine to 4, so half everything, 8 sine to 4 theta is cos 4 theta. Take away 4 cos 2 theta plus 3.